protektado, kalusugan natin sigurado, samahan, sabay-sabay tayo, kaya natin ito. Ang kalusugan pangkalakad, hindi lang siya magiging platform, logo, slogan, o drawing, magiging totoo. Let's do it.
We just got back from Malacanang where we had the launch of the Z Benefit. The President and Health Secretary Noynoy Aquino and Health Secretary Ike Tona were there as we jointly launched the Z Benefit, about the start of a wonderful transformation of PhilHealth as we expand our benefits and cover the most expensive illnesses of our members. Welcome!